Hello everyone. Standard 8 subject maths chapter number 1 rational number part 8. Okay, let's start exercise 1.2. Okay, this one is the last exercise of this chapter number 1. Okay, in the previous one you have learned the properties of a rational number such as closure property, associativity property, commutativity property, distribution, identity property, what is the additive identity, multiplicative identity, additive inverse, multiplicative inverse. Okay, all these property you have learned on a previous videos. Okay, now the second thing you have learned, that is how to find a rational numbers between any two rational numbers. Okay, we know that there are infinite number of rational numbers lies between any two rational number. So all these things we have learned. Now solve a question exercise 1.2. Okay, so this exercise says represent this rational numbers on a number line. So the first one, that is 7 by 4. Okay, 7 by 4. We have to represent this rational number on a number line. Now, see, we just recall some fraction property, that we know that if my denominator is greater than numerator, it means, see, here my denominator is smaller than numerator. Okay. If my denominator is greater than numerator, okay, so the 2 यहाँ पे 2 is greater than 1. Okay, so if my denominator is greater than numerator, then the answer is always lies between a 0 and 1. Okay, always lies between 0 and 1. Okay, so that rational numbers lies between a 0 and 1. Okay, if that fraction is my negative, then it lies between 0 and -1. Now, if my denominator is smaller than the numerator, denominator is smaller than the numerator, then this numbers this number is cannot lie between 0 and 1. It is more than 1. Answer will get over here. Okay. Now we have to represent this number on a number line. So just draw a number line. As we know that, see, here my denominator is smaller than the numerator. It means this number cannot lie between 0 and 1. So I can write this number. So I can write my number. It means I can start my number line with 1. Okay, 1 over here. Now again, then over here, so many fractions. So here over 0 divide 4. Okay, 0 divide 4, then 1 divide 4, and all those things over here. So 4 divide 4, it means 1 I am getting over here. 4 divide 4, 1. Okay, now what lies over here? 5 divide 4, 6 divide 4, 7 divide 4. Okay, so the 7 divide 4 lies between 0 and 1 upon 0 and 2. Okay, because look at over here, 7, then 8 by 4, it's nothing but 2 only. What comes over here? 2. So the 7 by 4 lies between 1 and 2. This way you can represent this number. Okay, or else if you don't know how to start 4 upon 4, direct factor 5, so simply you just start your number line with 0, because this one is the positive fraction, so there is no need to write a negative one. Okay, so the start one with the 0, then 0 by 4. Okay, now again 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, and why I am writing 1? Because 4 by 4, that is 1. Now again 5 by 4, 6 by 4, number cannot lie between 0 and 1. Okay, so I can start my number line with 1 also. Okay. Now the second one is minus 5 by 6. The second one is minus 5 by 6. See, minus 5 by 6. Observe, forget the negative one. Observe the denominator. Denominator is greater than numerator. Yes, it means that number is lies between 0 and 1. But here that fraction given is negative 1. It means my fraction is lies between 0 and 1. We have to observe the fractions. Okay, so it will be easy for us to how to represent this number. Okay, now let me write it on another side. So the next one is minus 5 by 6. See, denominator is greater than the numerator. It means that number always lies between 0 and 1. So negative 1, so I can the 0 we have to write it over here and minus as number over here. Now start like this way. 0. Okay, 0 by minus 6. Now minus 1 by minus 6. Minus 2 by minus 2 by 6. Minus 3 by 6. Minus 4 by 6. And minus 5 by 6. And minus 6 upon 6 is nothing but 1 only. Nothing but 1 only. So this way I can represent this number. Okay, understood? Whenever my denominator is greater than the numerator, that fraction always lies between 0 and 1. You already studied this in your previous classes. Okay, about fractions. Now the question number 2. You have to represent. So the question number 2 is in your homework. Okay, that one is also very easy. Similarly, you have to solve this one. It means the question number 2 is in your homework. Okay, the question number 2 is in your homework. Now the question number 3. Write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. See, the smaller than 2, 5 rational number it can. So all the natural numbers, whole numbers, integers you can write because all are the rational numbers only. Okay, the question number 3 also in your homework. It's very easy. Now question number 4. 10. You have to find the 10 rational numbers. Okay. Question number 4. Find 10 rational number. Okay. Between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 10. Now, see, whenever the denominator not given same, we have to make our denominator same. Just make the denominator same. If my denominator is same, see, likewise our previous question number 1 and 2, if my denominator is same, so it will be easy to write each and every rational numbers. Okay. Now, just make the denominator same. It means LCM. We have to take the LCM. Okay. So the take LCM 5 and 2. That is 10 only. Now 2 by 5. Now we have to make our denominator same. It means we have to make our denominator 10 only. So to get 10 over here, we have to multiply our 5 with 2. If I am multiplying in denominator with 2, it means I have to multiply in numerator also. Here is minus 2, so I am getting minus 4 upon 10. Similarly, for 1 by 2, okay, we want denominator 10. So multiply with 2 with 5. Again, I have to multiply with 5 on numerator also. So I am getting 5 by 2. See, when you cut it down, when you write it simplified form, you will get this form only. Okay, all these things you have learned then minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. No, there are you can able to write only 8. Okay, 8. But here we want is 10 rational numbers. So what I am doing is I am making my numerators difference very wide. Okay, if I am making my numerators difference very wide, so I can able to directly write. Okay. Now, what we have to do is just multiply with 10. So, I am getting over here is minus 40 and plus 50. Minus 40 and plus 50. How many rational numbers there are? You can write at least 10 rational numbers easily. Now, multiply both rational numbers with 10. Okay, we have to multiply both rational numbers with 10 in numerator and in denominator. Okay, and in denominator. So, take this one minus 4 by 10. Okay, now multiply with 10 in numerator and 10 in denominator. So I am getting minus 40 and 100. Okay, when I am simplifying this one, I am getting this one. Again I am simplifying, I am getting my original one. That does not make any difference. Okay. Now the second one is 5 by 10. So I am getting 50 and 100. 50 and 100. Now you can easily write 10. So which one is the first one? 2 by 5. It's equal to minus 4 by 10. I am writing equal to sign because all these are equivalent fraction. So equals to minus 40 upon 100. Again equivalent fraction. Now I can write 41 upon 100. 41 upon 100. My first fraction. 42 upon 100. 43 upon 100. Now 44 upon 100. 45 upon 100. 46 upon 100. 47 upon 100. You can pick any one, okay? Either you can pick from negative 1 and positive 1. We want only 10 rational numbers which are lies between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. Okay, that's it. So, upon 100 minus 49 upon 100 and now, okay, so 50 upon 100. Okay, so rectangly now you can write that one only, that 50 upon 100 because minus 50 is smaller than plus 50. Now it's equals to 5 upon 10, it's equals to 1 upon 2. So all these are my time rational numbers which are lies between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 5. Okay, now move towards to the next question. Find 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Again, it's a very easy question. So, question number 5 also in your homework. So, again, question number 5 in your homework. See, you need to practice this one. Now, the question number 6. Find 5 rational numbers which are greater than minus 2. Greater than minus 2. Minus 2 is on left side of the 0 and all the positive numbers are lies on the right hand side of the 0. It means you have to start writing which are greater than minus 2, then minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. All are rational numbers. So you can write. Okay. So the question number 6 also in your homework. Question number 6 also in your homework. Now, the question number 7. Find 10 rational numbers between. See, again, this question number 7 is exactly similar to this one. First, find the LCM. While finding the LCM, you just count. Can I able to write directly like 4 by 10, then minus 3 by 10? Can I able to write 10 elements? No. Then just multiply this fraction with 10 and make this numerator's difference wide because the denominator is the same only 100. Afterwards, you can pick any 10 rational numbers. That one is also very easy. So the question number 7 is also in your homework. Now, let's solve some extra questions. Now, so your exercise that completes. So question number 2, 3, 5, 6 and 7 is in your homework. Solve some extra question. So the extra question says, let A be, let me write, let A, B, C are any rational number where A equals to 2 by 3, B equals to 4 by 5, and C equals to minus 5 by 6. Okay, and we have to verify A plus B plus C is equals to A plus B bracket C. Now, we have to verify that this one, whether my left hand side is equal to the right hand side or not. See, this type of question, verify and check, it means we have to replace this alphabets with these values, and we have to check whether I am getting my left hand side is equal to the right hand side or not. So, firstly, I am taking my left hand side part. So, left hand side is A plus B bracket, B plus C bracket. Okay. Now, what is A? 2 by 3. Now, plus what is B plus C? That is 4 by 5 plus minus 5 by 6. Okay. Now, 2 by 3 I am taking as it is because of the BODMAS rule. Firstly, solve the bracket only. Now, 4 by 5. Now, plus and minus. We know that these both signs are in multiplication. So, the plus minus. So, 5 by 6. Okay. Now, to subtract this both the fraction, we need to take the LCM because the denominator is not same. So, taking the LCM of 5 and 6, that is 30. So, we have to make our denominator 30. So, if I want to make this denominator 30 over here, we have to multiply my 5 with 6 only. 6 5 are 30. If I multiply with 6 in denominator, so I have to multiply with the same digit on the numerator also. So, then 24. Over here, 5 we have to multiply with 5 because 6 5s are 30, and over here 25. Okay, because I have taken the LCM 30. Now 2 by 3 plus, I am getting minus 1 upon 30. Again we have to look at over here, plus and minus both are in multiplication. So 2 by 3 minus 1 upon 30. Again we have to take the LCM of 3 and 30. 3 and 30 LCM, that is 30. 1 only. So what I am getting over here, 19 upon 30 is my left hand side answer. Now check for the right hand side. What is in my right hand side? A plus B plus bracket C, which means we have to take this number in bracket. So the 2 by 3 plus 4 by 5. Okay, then plus minus 5 by 6. Again solve this one. LCM is 50. LCM is 50 because LCM of 3 and 5. If I am taking 50, so we have to multiply 3 with 5. That is 50. So 5 again over 10. Over here 3, 12. Again minus plus minus 5 by 6. Okay. Here we have taken the LCM of 3 and 5, which is 15. Okay. Now again what left over here? That is 22 upon 15 minus 5 by 6. 5 by 6. Now the LCM of 15 and 6. Now the LCM of 15 and 6. Again that is 30. Again that is 30. Why 30? Because 3 into 5. 3 into 2. Okay. So again I am getting 15 only. 30 only. So the next one. So over here we have to multiply with 2. That is 44. Okay. So 44. Okay. Now over here 5. 25. Again I am getting 19 upon 30. It means I am getting my left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence my left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Okay. Now in your homework, you have to verify. So this one is my A. For B in your homework, you have to check for A into B bracket C, okay, equals to A into B into C. So this one is in your homework. So what is your homework over here? Exercise 1.2, question number 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now the extra one you have to solve is question number. So this value A, B and C you have to take from this over here only, and you have to check that whether my left hand side is equal to the right hand side or not. So this one is your left hand side part. Solve that part. Okay. Now take the right hand side part and solve that part and check whether you are getting your left hand side is equal to the right hand side or not. Okay. Now one more extra questions. Question says 4 any rational number A divide B, C divide D, E divide F, where, okay, what else? For any rational number, all these are rational numbers, we have to check A divide B is multiplied with C divide D plus E divide F is equals to the blank. What's the answer come over here? What is the answer come over here? See, whenever this happens, first look at over here. Distribution of addition over multiplication. Distribution of addition over multiplication. So it means we have to multiply this fraction with my first fraction, then addition, then again first fraction and the third fraction. That is the answer. So the A divide B into C divide D plus again A divide B into E divide F. That is the answer. That is the answer. Okay. So your quotient. Okay. That's it only. Okay. We have over here. So in this chapter, whatever we have solved the questions, extra question, you have to practice it at your home. Now that's it for this chapter number 1.